Welcome to the world of BMW, where innovation meets excellence. Today, we are thrilled to introduce the MyBMW App, your digital co-pilot for an elevated driving experience. Buckle up as we explore its remarkable features. Get real-time updates on your BMW's vital stats. Know your estimated EV range or your fuel level. The BMW app is also your all-in-one companion for electric driving. With this app, you can also check your charge level and precondition your battery for an optimal driving experience. One of the great features within the MyBMW app includes the vehicle's remote start. Whether it be a chilly day or even a hot day, you can adjust the temperature to have it exactly how you want. Remote starting your vehicle is as easy as the digital key is an added convenience to connect you to your vehicle. You can lock, unlock, and drive off with just your phone. On top of that, you can send it to up to 5 people at a time too. That can be your friends, family, or even your dog walker. And you can also revoke it at any time as well. Using your digital key is as simple as opening up your digital wallet, walking to the driver's side door of your vehicle, and placing it right on the sensor of the outside door handle. Stay seamlessly connected with your BMW using Bluetooth. Pair your phone effortlessly to make hands-free calls, stream music, and access your contacts. Additionally, you can cut the cords. With wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, your phone integrates seamlessly with your BMW's infotainment system. Access maps, messages, music, and more, all without plugging in. Electric or hybrid? No problem. Plan your adventures effortlessly with the MyBMW app. Find destinations, locate gas stations, charging spots, or parking areas. The app syncs seamlessly with your BMW's navigation. It can even guide you to public charging stations equipped with DC fast chargers and level 2 chargers. Charge up on the go and explore the world with confidence. You can also get the latest BMW news, captivating stories, and essential updates all through the Explore BMW section in the MyBMW app. But that's not all. Dive into BMW's Connected Drive, manage financial services, or shop the BMW store for all of your accessory needs. It's like having BMW's concierge right at your fingertips. Never miss service again. Keep track of maintenance schedules and book appointments hassle-free. And guess what? The MyBMW app will send you push notifications so you'll never miss a service appointment again, because your BMW deserves the best. Experience the future of driving with the MyBMW app. Download it now on the App Store or the Google Play Store. Because when you drive a BMW, every journey should be extraordinary, and that's the Patrick promise.